She is dead.
Baz is pushing around to. Baz is pushing around to lobby. He went in through the garage. Oh, one in meeting on your right there.
If you remain in this zone,
There's another one in the. Yep.
Op 4 last stop standing.
Nice.
Friendly's victorious.
Like,
Fucking
this is,
whitewash.
Leroy!
I like it.
Very nice.
Didn't get him.
I did.
Nice. Someone's in. Nice on Plums.
Oh, actually, there was one on the roof over where you're looking, Plums.
Friendly's
Damn it,
victorious.
Skip.
Hostiles
You
eliminated.
should have had that.
Kill Steven.
All you could see was his head.
Yeah, I kind of did a circle and downed him. But then Skip just kicked him in the knee on the way down.
Pretty much.
Diffuser is online and active.
Please duck down, man. That should have killed all of them. What is going on?
That's bullshit.
It decided not to let me melee.
Op 4 found
Go
a
on.
bomb. You must defend it.
That just came steamrolling in. Got the diffuser on me.
I'm getting shot through a wall.
Last stop standing.
Over here somewhere, I'm pink.
I can't jump over this. On me.
Oh, I was just gonna go and plant.
Op 4 eliminated.
I only needed one bullet. Apart from those. Fuck me. Is he gonna get shot?
Diffuser is active. Protected at all costs.
Oh. Oh. Good. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, jeez, I don't want this as the last kill. Some bitch, I got caught in the banisters. I might get shot here. Yeah.
Backed up.
Yeah.
Friendly.
Taken out every camera we have, haven't they? Oh no. Wrong
I
button.
got the bomb.
Friendly. Last operator standing.
Really bamboozled her. You got that room covered? Don't look at
Your
me,
drone
I'm
has
soaked.
found a bomb.
Fucking hell.
Nice.
Jesus Christ.
Which way? Stairs?
Right, let's go outside.
Oh, someone's pushed into.
Located a bomb.
Someone's
You
pushed
know
onto a
it's
site.
You will be detected if you remain in this area. You have been spotted.
Same guy.
Anyone on B? One is in B.
And A.
This guy's fucking invisible.
Last one must be Vaz then. Didn't get him.
Op
Yeah.
eliminated.
That computer monitor really fucking bought the farm.
He was like in line at the bank and you were just a disgruntled receptionist. I can't see you.
Fuck you and your postal orders.
What is a postal order? Is it just a really crap check?
I think it's when you send little volleyball through the mail.
Popping in through the flap.
Oh no, it's postal
Use your drone to
orders.
locate a bomb.
Oh my god, that was awful.
Finger blasting. Fucking hell, Greg.
We're gonna plant here.
What are you doing, Skip?
Getting rid of the prisoners.
Diffuser is online and active.
For fuck's sake. Oh, I'm supposed to be mute jamming shit. I'm a terrible mute.
I got the west and the south side done.
Like you did.
Spawned by the plants on new plums. Nice, nice. I got
Excellent
I
comms.
got a bit froggy there. Fuck this noise.
That was awesome.
Op 4 last operator standing.
Shit, she could be anywhere.
Nah,
What was this downstairs bullshit?
he didn't know.
He was fucking giving me bad intel. On new plums.
One on the...
Down to 15 seconds.
Oh fuck,
Op
he's
4
in.
located a bomb.
For
Protect
some
it.
reason I thought that was a teammate.
10 seconds left. Op 4, last operator standing. One friendly operator
Fuck.
remaining.
He's straight ahead, is he?
Nice.
I got 6 kills by shooting people in the back.
You back shooter, you.
Oh, mate. I'm all about.
All the way up
lads,
to
man.
their neck.
You know what I'm all about. Yeah. So, mute. Rape. If someone could shoot a few drones on the way past, that'd be great.
Ooh. You're gonna get domed, I reckon, in the back of the head.
Pushing the
Yes.
door now.
Whoa!
Oh!
Yes.
Skip, mate. Right, I'm gonna try something.
Oh shit.
Tucking it between your legs, I'm pretending you're a girl.
No, I've tried that before, though. Face.
What's a man without a mangina?
China?
Yes.
Good drone, by the way.
Yeah, dude.
No! Fucking
Inside,
missed him.
on the first.
Oh, he's got the shotgun.
Just relax, he's not near the bomb yet.
No? Alright, I'll hang out.
He's in the other room, he's been a prick. Okay, he's looking at it through the hole in the wall. He's still on the first.
He's too scared of deer.
He's,
Oh, why
pushing-
can't I shoot him?
I don't know.
he's looking at the stairs.
No pressure, mate.
Shit, there's a cat inside. There's a cat inside my house. Right, I'm gonna go feed this cat.
Friendly mission
cat.
successful.
Hey Jonathan, what's happening, mate? I'll be back.
There's a fucking cat in his house. I assume Merky doesn't have a cat.
No, of course he doesn't.
No.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Op 4, last op standing.
Something alright, Skip?
Yeah, I'm just shooting the ceiling.
I missed with the second one.
Hostiles eliminated.
Mute's doing his naughty finger.
Oh, lefty.
Murky, you fucking idiot.
Oh, Murky. Too
Stop-
busy.
Stop feeding stray
Stroking a
pussy.
cat.
Bollocks. God damn.
Boosting advanced.
Op 4 last operator standing.
Ha!
Fucked it.
Was she just there?
Yep. Snooze you lose, bitch.
Op 4 last operator standing.
She was over this way. Oh wait, I can
Good.
hear mo-
Relax, you got time, mate.
Op
Yes.
4
Yes.
successful.
I am not a cunt.
Very nice.
I was
Oh,
hoping
cheeky.
that would get 'em.
It's pretty camouflaged.
Hide them in the bodies.
It's when you turn around and the whole fruit basket's
Yeah.
on display.
Just back it up.